Hello guys, this is Social Trades once more. So this is the NASDAQ guys. Today it's Monday. It's Monday today. So basically we have opened. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute, you're gonna see that. But we've opened a new week here. So these levels that you see here, they're representing this week here, the long one. And then even here, I marked this long week here. So this one represents the premium array here. Also, these ones will be discount array while we're here. So we're in between this levels, this level here and this level here. Also, one thing to note here is that if you mark this high here and you go again and you mark this low here, you see that this is the range that we've been in since last year, 27 October week. We've just been between this high and this low here. So we've been just going in this range here. So if you take your Fibonacci here and you mark the top there, then you mark it like that. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's put this one correctly there. So you realize that below, let me move this to the side a bit. Let's go, there we go. You realize that below 0.5, which is half of this range from this high there and this low. This is half of it here where you see 0.5. This is the Fibonacci. So below 0.5 is discount prices, meaning we can buy, right? We can buy since we are in this range from this high and this low. Discount prices, you can buy. Also, you can see that the market here went low, close there, closes there, and the next candlestick went lower, and closed below 0.5 here, 50% of this week. Can close below this level here, that's 50%. The next one goes down even lower, but can't even reach 0.75, meaning can't reach here, 0.25, I mean. This level here can't even reach it of this week. So it closes there. It's telling us what? That is bullish because it can't even close below 50%. So as you can see, this candlestick has opened now here, went lower, hit level so far here. Okay. So basically, let me delete. So we can see that discount is somewhere here. So let me just delete this. This is the range we are kept in, the high, the low. Discount is somewhere here, 50% here, equilibrium is somewhere here. So now we went below with these candlesticks. This is discount. So anticipating that price will go higher, right? On the NASDAQ, we're anticipating that price will go higher for this week. Anticipating that we see higher prices, right? Higher prices. How far? Just higher prices. Eventually, we like to see it taking this high. Because for me, there's a lot of liquidity resting here. There's a lot. Millions and millions of dollars resting there. So as you can see, even this is a high and a high. So these are two relatively equal highs. So here, there's just a lot of liquidity resting above. But initially, you can see the market going up, can go up like that. And then we're going to see how this level here performs. Should this level give us some nice food? Should we close above it? Then we'll anticipate that then we'll go and take this highs here. And also some things to note, we have this suspension block here in the weekly. Let me mark that for now. see there's a volume imbalance here and there's a volume imbalance here. So mark that like that. You go there, you mark it. You just go, there we go. So let me do that. This is what you have. So here we see that went above it, went below it again. Now just here in the lower quadrant of this volume imbalance here. Suspension block, I mean. So, but then you can do that. We'll check out the daily. But before that, when it's going up here, this volume imbalance here, let me zoom in. This is before we reach all those levels up there, you can see it reaching here, right? First reaching this level, then anticipating the next one, just like that. So this is what we see here on the weekly, that we see that we have a bullish NASDAQ. We're going to anticipate that the NASDAQ goes higher, basically. Yes. Eventually, we would like to see take these highs and go above them. That would be beautiful. It's going to unlock so many things. So when you go on the daily, daily. So on the daily, this is that weekly high there, weekly low there, the range that we've been in ever since October month there, and this November low here. We've been in here for a long time. So we are ranging basically. So we can see that here, this volume imbalance here, if I move this, you're gonna see. Let's see that. Let's zoom in. There we go. This volume imbalance here was used here. Candlesticks can close on the lower end, but they close somewhere there. That's good. When you come back into it, you can't even put a body in it. That's beautiful. Goes up. So it's showing up us that it wants to go up, right? It's showing us that, so we're gonna target this high here, critical level here. Then we're gonna go on targeting these levels up to this high here. And then eventually we'd like to see it taking these relatively equal highs up there. That's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna allow so many things, right? We also can see this daily, we're currently in this daily volume imbalance here, right? This one is one comes from the weekly. Let's make it orange. Weekly. So we have this one here. We're gonna see how we're gonna use it here, and then we're gonna propel higher, right? Propel higher. We like also to see this value gap here be used too. Also this one to be used just to propel us higher. That's the NASDAQ. Okay. I just delete that. This is the 1 hour time frame now. You see, even on the 1 hour, just came in there. Nice relatively equal highs here on that weekly volume imbalance, right? There we go, there. So this value gap here was used here. Let's mark it. You're gonna see this one here, the last one going down. The last value gap going down. You see that? No bodies here on the lower half. That's beautiful. And now it's coming back, but doesn't seem it wants to come here. That's beautiful too. So above this high here, this high, you can see this if we look up here, relatively equal highs there. So we're just bullish for the NASDAQ, guys. Just bullish for the NASDAQ. Today we might just leave it and see what it does, and then we can get in the action from tomorrow. So basically, okay, this is the 1 hour time frame. I'd like to see the NASDAQ rally higher, rally higher. Right? I'd like to see the rally higher. That's the NASDAQ, guys. So let's go to, okay, no, I'll do USDT alone and the S&P alone. But that's the NASDAQ for me, guys. Eventually, initially, like to see it take this level here. Then I'd like to see it use this level, take out this high and this nice swing highs here. Thank you, guys. Bullish on the NASDAQ.